think about the type of content you want to create. What makes you like creating that content? Because you'll have to also want, like, if you're gonna, build a business or grow a career, you're thinking 10, 20, forever years, right? You're not gonna do this for 1 year, because that's not really a career. That's a side hustle and a hobby at most. But what kind of content fires you up? What's easy for you to do? What's fun for you to do? Like, I will admit very, very easily, like, I hate making YouTube videos, and I just like don't like being on camera. Well, it's funny saying that. Like, it's not that I don't like being on camera. I don't like talking to a camera and making a video for nobody that's in the room. Having a conversation with Ryan and hopefully helping people in the audience along the way, that's way easier for me. More
Very
fun,
different vibe.
more engaging. Yeah. Like, we've been on, like, it's been 54 minutes, and like, I wouldn't even be halfway through setting up for my like 10-minute YouTube video by now, whereas writing a blog post or crafting a story or writing a short story based email, I can do that in 30 minutes and knock that out super easy. So that's my focus. So find your focus moving forward and building your career or brand is, what can you do consistently that you like doing?